In this video, we are going to change default port number of Xampp or Apache server. For that, open the Apache server, and now you can able to access the Apache with the default port. The default port is 80. Once after pressing the admin, you can see it is opened with the default port 80. Now we are going to change the port number. So first we need to stop the service. Then go to config, open the httpd.config file, then search the number 80, that is a default port. Instead of 80, we can change to 85. We need to change all 80 numbers to 85. We need to change the port two location. One is server name localhost, that we need to change it as 85, as well as local listen port. We need to change 85. Once after, need to save the file and exit. Then go to config and change the auto port setup from service and port settings. Default it will be 8 and we need to change it as what we changed over there. And save, OK. Then start the services. Now you can see Xampp or Apache is opened with new ports. The default port is not available as of now. If you press 85, it will come. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, comment and subscribe.